Elephants are the largest land animals. 3 species currently live: African bush elephants, African forest elephants, and Asian elephants are the only surviving members of the family. Elephantidae and order Proboscidea. Extinct relatives include the mammoth and mastodon. Elephants are found in the African region and Asian regions like India and Sri Lanka. In today's video, let's talk about 6 special features of elephants. Their tusks are actually teeth. Tusks are actually enlarged incisors that first appear when elephants are about 2 years old. Tusks continue to grow throughout their lives. Elephant tusks are used to provide food, to remove bark from trees to dig roots, or as a defense when fighting. But these beautiful tusks often lead to elephant accidents. Humans use ivory. Ivory is expensive, and because of this people kill elephants. It is the main reason why elephants are threatened. Around 90% of African elephants have been wiped out in the past century. About 90% of African elephants have been killed in the past, largely due to the ivory trade, with only about 415,000 wild elephants alive today. Asian elephants are also threatened, having declined by at least 50% in the last 3 generations. About 48,000, 52,000 individuals remain in the wild, as their habitats are altered, fragmented, and lost to human settlements and agriculture. Asian elephant populations find it difficult to follow their traditional migration routes to reach water, feeding and breeding grounds, and they often come into dangerous conflict with humans. Elephants spend time with their herd. To an elephant, nothing is more important than the love and bonds provided by their families. These magnificent mammals depend extensively on each other, not only for safety and survival, but also for the emotional connections that are critical to any elephant's development. The elephant herd consists of between 6 and 50 members. Females live with paws throughout their lives. But male elephants separate from the herd at the age of 12, 15 years and live independently. Elephants are constantly eating. Elephants are constantly eating. They eat about 150 kilograms a day. They are not carnivores, but herbivores. Wild elephants eat a wide variety of plants, as they need to eat a lot to fuel their large bodies. The diet of elephants mainly depends on grass, roots, bamboo, fruits, and tree bark. Elephants especially love to use their tusks to remove bark from trees. African elephants have a different diet than Asian elephants. An elephant never forgets. The area of the elephant's brain associated with memory is larger and denser than that of humans. So the saying "elephants never forget" is true. There are different opinions about the memory of elephants in the Asian region. It seems to go back to observations that elephants follow the same paths, and even genetic memories of directions and locations are passed down through generations. Each clan of elephants, like most human communities, has a specific burial site and always helps the dead to return to it if not killed by trauma first. This is evidence of the memory of elephants. You can tell the 3 species apart by their ears. There are 3 species of elephants: African savanna, bush, African forest, and Asian. African elephants' ears are larger than their cousins and are described as having the shape of the African continent, while Asian elephants' ears are shaped like the Indian subcontinent. The easiest way to tell the difference between Asian and African elephants is to look at their ears. African elephants have large ears that look like the continent of Africa, while Asian elephants have small, rounded ears. Elephants' ears dissipate their body heat, and African elephants need to dissipate more heat than Asian elephants because they live in warmer climates.